Hi everyone, this video clips gives practical and effective tips to students to learn subjects by using a way of cognition and memorizing lessons. Examination time is near, so students face a lot of exam pressure and stress. They complain that they forget things what they learn and ask for tips to memorize lessons quickly. So here are some tips to cover and help you to go through. Number 1. Understand the concepts logically. By simply memorizing things without logically understanding it would not help us. For logic should be the way to understand it and learn something, so whatever method you follow or ways you choose to do should always relate to the concept. Number 2. Identifying the parts that are to be remembered. Don't you guys think that not everything you need to be memorized in a chapter? First, need to identify the parts which are to be memorized and remaining are to be read. So identifying it is a major step. There are two major techniques that would help us memorize faster, and that would be a verbal learning techniques and visual learning techniques. Number 3 is verbal learning techniques. By using words and sounds, some of the examples are acronyms, word association, rhymes, songs, and repetitions that you are continuously read the same thing again and again. And the sound is number 4, visual learning techniques. That is picturizing whatever you are learning in a logical flow as associates things in a sequence to make it easy to remember. Number 5, do it in parts. Learn in a small part, take a break, and before you start to the second part, revise the first to make it through or just check if you're even recollect. Number 6. Writing things down and making notes. Make a rough flow chart of the concept like image diagram or anything will help you visualize and remember the answer. And number 7. Change your way of learning. While learning, if memorizing the concept is taking too much time, then change the way of learning. You can watch online video related to the concept so that it will become easy for you to memorize and understand it. Number 8. Meditation and its benefits. Meditate to improve your concentration and memory. It makes you focus and clear. Number 9 is revision. We are loading a lot of information which is difficult for us to retain, so doing frequent revisions will help us restore everything we have studied. And number 10, last, don't overdo things and keep pending on the last minute. The thought itself will give you stress and pressure and relate things to object or even to remember it. Students do it in parts and undoing that you will be saturated and after a point you will be able to study effectively. Getting adequate sleep and giving your brain rest is equally boost your innovative thinking skills. Hope these academic study tips were useful and it will help you to learn things faster and remember whatever you have studied. Thank you for watching.